term that roughly translates to the idea of the soul of motion. And we are now evolving into this next generation of Kodo design, which you see here with the all-new 2019 Mazda 3. This is the hatchback version, the 5-door. To your right, we have the 4-door version of the new Mazda 3 as well. We have evolved into this new Japanese aesthetic of the idea of less is more, so much less hard creases in the sheet metal, more flowing surfaces. We've had a lot of positive reaction to the vehicle. This is the 5-door again and the 4-door. Now these are not due out into the dealerships until early spring. That's about as specific a time frame as they've told us. We don't have all the pricing specs or trim levels laid out. At least they haven't shared it with us yet. We'd be happy to get that information to you as soon as it's published. If you want to leave your contact information, we'll make sure you get that. Also on these new vehicles, we are now going to offer all-wheel drive as an option, which are pretty exciting. Many people in many markets around the country have been asking for an all-wheel drive sedan, and Mazda has listened. So that's coming out as well. All new architecture, Mazda Skyactiv architecture, higher tensile steel, denser, stronger, and then we're also going to offer some new equipment on this vehicle. For the first time, we'll offer the 360-degree view monitor on this vehicle, as well as, in addition to that rear cross traffic alert, we will now offer a front cross traffic alert on this vehicle. If you'd like to hop behind the wheel of any of our vehicles in our lineup, we've got them all outside for you to do a little test drive. I think they have some refreshments out there as well. We'd be happy to steer you in the direction of where that is. Also, please see us if you want any information sent to you or a specific brochure on any vehicles. We've got a beautiful flash drive we can give you as well. So we appreciate you coming through the Mazda display and having a look at our new Mazda Premium. Enjoy the rest of your day here at the Los Angeles Auto Show.
Are these available for test drive or no?
No. But I mean,